Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that ZygoSwap token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, ZygoSwap is a decentralized exchange DEX built on the BNB chain, designed for offer low cost trading with a unique model that returns fees to user. A multi-chain DEX, it facilitates token swaps and liquidity provision access multiple blockchains, including BNB, Solana, and Base. Free rebate model. Traders receive 100% of their paid fees back as ZRW rewards token, a core incentive differentiating it from typical DEXs. Deflationary system. Generated fees are used to buy back and burn both ZSWAP and Zygo tokens, aiming to create sustainable tokenomics. ZygoSwap token total supply is 979 million and circulating supply is also 979 million. ZSWAP token is listed on MEXC, Bitwise and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.